Okay, so today we are going to start. Yes, fill in the blanks. There are dash continents on the earth. How many continents are there in on the earth? Amina, Amina dear, tell me the names also, dear. Name of the continents. Amina. E- Everyone mute yourself. I am asking by name. Okay. Yes, Amina. Tell me the name of the continents. Yes. Hmm. 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 You are confused. Hmm? See, first one is Asia. Asia, largest, biggest continent, Asia. Second one, Africa. Third one, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Last one is Australia. Okay, so seven continents are there. Okay, are you all writing? Okay, now second one, Zikra. Second one, Dash is known as the continent of extreme. Yes, tell me. Asia, very good. Asia is also known as the continent of extremes. Third one, Sabra. Hmm. Dash is the only continent through which the three major parallels passes. Which continent? No, no, it's not Asia. Who will tell? Af- Europe or Africa? Africa, dear. Africa. Africa is the planet in which all the three major parallels passes. Africa is the only continent. Parallels, I'm telling you parallels. Which parallels? Three major parallels are connecting through this continent. Okay, understood. So, which continent through which the three parallel passes through which continent? Africa. Yes, yes. Third one. Sorry, fourth one. Canada and the USA are also known as Canada and USA are also known as Anglo America. Yes, very good. Anglo America. Yes. Now turn your page. Match the following. Who will tell me first one? Hudson Bay. Yes, Hudson Bay is Canada. Wait a minute. So first one is Canada. Okay. Now Alps. Europe. Europe. Third one is Colorado River. Yes, tell me. Colorado River? Yes, North America. And Nile? Africa. Yes, Nile is in Africa. Yes. How much percent of the earth is covered with water? 98 or something else? Amna, Amna, 71. 71%. Okay, so this is false. Yes. Second one, the highest plateau in the world is Tarim Basin. Is it true? So which one is the highest plateau? Which one is the highest plateau? Hmm. Yeah, the highest important plateau is plateau of Tibet in Asia. Yes, so this one is wrong. This is also false. The Himalayas are not among the fold mountains. Tell me. False. What is the correct one? Hmm. Largest plains of India are the Pampas. Is it true or false? So largest plain is hmm. Nara ma'am, you don't have class? Achha. Okay. The last one. Most of the big cities of the world are located in the plains. Is it true or false? Yes. Most of the big cities. Yes, most of the big cities of the world are located in the plains. Now, differentiate. First one, who will differentiate between continents and oceans? I'm just asking, dear, obviously, continents. Okay, so if you will explain about continent, so you will write just continent is a large continuous land masses seen on the earth. These are continents, and there are seven continents on the earth. Okay, and oceans, you can explain about oceans. How you will explain ocean? What is ocean? Who will tell me ocean? Oceans are the interconnected, means all interconnected. Yes, according to the decreasing order of their sizes. Okay. Interconnected large water bodies, and it is according to their size. Okay. So, uh, oceans are how many types of oceans? Five. Yes. And continents, seven. Yes. Anabia Shanovas. Yes, dear. Next, differentiate between gulfs and bays. Hmm. This much only is enough. Dear, this much is enough. Okay. Now answer the following questions. Question number one. Name the seven continents of the earth in decreasing order of their size. Okay. So who will tell me? Alina. Mm, yes, Nashra. Rem- In decreasing order. In decreasing order, we have to write. Yes. Amina. In decreasing order. Hmm. Laughing. Amina, show your face. Okay, dear. Yes, who will tell me? Sarah. Show me your face. Show me your face. Yes, Sarah. Okay, very good. Nadia. Second question. Which are the five major oceans of the world? Nadia, your voice is not coming. Your mother's voice is coming. Nadia is in not condition to tell the answer. Rimsha Kausar. Yes, Rimsha. Hmm. Five major oceans. Hmm. Hmm. Pacific, Indian, Arctic, okay, Southern. So these are the five major oceans of the world. Now name the three bays and gulfs of the world. Who will tell me? Nadia, so you will show your face only. You will not give any answer. Amina, yes, she's pointing out something. Hmm. What? What are you saying, Amina? Amina, don't laugh. See, what is bay and gulf? A gulf is a large water body that partly surrounded by the land. Okay, and it has only a narrow entrance along a strait. And what is yes? And what is bay? Bay is also a large water body. It also partly surrounded, but by a wide curve of a plant. Yes, wider. It has a yes wider opening than the gulf. Okay, this is the answer. Now, name the three types of mountains classified on the basis of their origin. Means on the basis of their origin, you have to just tell me the types of mountains. Wait a minute. Sarish. Sarish. Yes, very good, dear. Yes, very good. Fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains. Okay, these are the three mountains. Okay, so what is the other name of Africa? Yes, Nadia. Nadia. Nadia, two, three answers you will give me today. Otherwise, I will not leave you. Yes, Sarah. What is the other name of Africa? Yes, Nadia. Yes, Nadia. Yes, Anabia. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. 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 Yes, it is also called Black Continent. Yes, Mother or Mankind. Yes, tell me three features, silent features of Asia. Three silent features of Asia. Hafsa, Hafsa Fatima. Hafsa Fatima. Amina, can you tell me the answer of this question? Yes, dear. Tell me three silent features of Asia. Three silent features. Hmm. Means three important sentences, three important features you have to explain about Asia. It's very easy. Yes. Yes, Amina, I'm listening. Yes. Hmm. And it is the biggest continent. Yes. Yes. And yes. Hmm. 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 Largest continent. So 3 points you can take. Asia is the biggest continent in the world, and you can say Asia is also known as the continent of extremes, and Asia is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean in the East Arctic Ocean. Okay, so these two 3 points you can take. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Write 2 points on the importance of mountains. Means what are the importance of mountain? Hmm. Who is saying I? Anabia. Yes, Anabia. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. So mountains are huge masses of land. Okay, they occupy about one fourth of the total land area of the earth. This is the importance, or you can say the mountain tops are known as peaks, and over 100 of kilometers that arrange the valleys and these type of hills having peaks. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Now, how are lakes formed? How are lakes formed? How are lakes formed? Sabra. Yes, Sabra. Sabra. Wait, Rimsha, Sarish, Naba. Naba is also there. Naba. Naba. Naba, where is your video? Turn on your video first. Okay, tell me. How are lakes formed? Yes, Nahadia. Yes, Nahadia. Okay, okay. Nahadia, turn off your mic. Yes. So due to excessive human use, our land and water resources are degrading day by day. Okay. So if we don't use our resources judicially, our future generation also will suffer. So how lakes are formed? How lakes are formed? When water accumulates and forms a vast depression on the earth, on the surface. Okay, so it becomes a lake, and large lakes are called in then seas. Okay, so this is the whole, yes, this is the whole process how it formed. Okay, now give two examples of lakes. Hmm. Two types of lands you can see black, uh, two types of lakes we can see, lake Baikal and lake Balkhash. Okay, fine. Yes, Balkhash and lake Baikal. Now second, what are the different types of plateaus? Hafsa Fatima. Nashra, what are the different types of plateaus, dear? Yes, intermontane plateaus, continental plateaus, and lava plateaus. Yes, these three types of plateaus are there according to their locations and according to their origins. Okay, and it is also these type of flat plateaus are also called tableland. Okay. So in 1122 lines, you can explain different types of plateaus. Okay. Now the fourth one. What are volcanic plateaus? What are volcanic plateaus? It should be volcanic mountains. Okay. Volcanic plateaus are written. Just cut, and just write volcanic mountains. Okay. Now explain me volcanic mountains. Who will explain? Who will tell? Hafsa. Yes, Hafsa. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, these volcanic mountains are formed due to volcanic activities during an eruption. Okay, that is volcanic mountains. Okay, this much only you have to write. Now, how are plains formed? How are plains formed? Yes, Sarish, how plains formed? Yes, Rimsha Kausar is there. Rimsha Kausar, do you know? Yes, tell quickly. I'm not understanding. Hmm. Okay, so the formation of planes means planes are formed as a result in both the internal and external forces of the earth. Most plains are formed by the rivers and their tributaries. So when the river flows through the mountain slopes, they erode them and carry forward eroded the material. So this eroded material gets deposited in the low-lying valleys in the form. This much you will not write. You have to just write planes are formed as a result of the internal and the external forces of the earth. Okay, and it is formed by the rivers and their tributaries. Okay, when river flows through the mountain slopes. This much only is enough. Okay, so reasons. Last one is reasons. The atmosphere is necessary for the survival of life on the earth. In your own words, you have to explain how atmosphere is necessary. Yes, obviously, nature and atmosphere is very necessary for the survival of life on the earth. How? How? Yes, Rimsha. Hmm. 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 So, atmosphere is very important. Like we live in this atmosphere, so we need the gases, we need the weather, we need everything: water, ocean, lakes, everything we need to survive in this world. So, atmosphere is very important in our life, and it's very necessary for the survival. Okay, not for human beings, but for all. Creatures also, it's very important. It takes a necessary place in our life. Okay, now the world has decided not to exploit Antarctica commercially. How you will explain this? Yes, dear. What, just repeat? Hmm. 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 Because due to some experiments, yes, that is why. Okay, because they were so worried about the due to the pollution. Okay, and so the large ice of sheets and glaciers of Antarctic will melt down, and what they have concluded, they have signed the Antarctic Treaty, and so many countries of the world, they signed this. So according to it, country can exploit, yes, so according to it, no country can exploit the natural resources of Antarctica for example, they agreed to use it only for peaceful purposes. They thought, they have decided. So for example, to study climatic changes and any continent of means continent or any other member of this treaty. So this type of peaceful and purpose they were exploring in the natural resources of Antarctica. Okay, so that was the reason. Okay, done. Okay, so you have to complete your work, and who will tell me the name and identify the picture? What is this? Amina. Amina. What is this in the picture? Hmm, very good. And which place it is found? In which place? In the yes, in Arctic oceans. Yes, in Arctic Ocean it is found. Yes. Okay. And this Arctic Ocean is surrounded by the three continents: North America, Europe, and Asia. Okay, so you have to complete your work. This course is almost completed. You have to complete the work, everything, and in history also, and I will assign, inshallah, because your course is completed, I will assign history, civics, and geography again. So you have to submit your 10 marks should be uh, counted. I will count your 10 marks from of notebook, and you all have to submit there. So now 10 marks you have to get. I will assign. On Zoom I will assign. Zikra? Yes, I am a Sally Gap. I will assign. Okay. Yes.